In the world of smartphones, two titans are vying for your attention: the Motorola Edge 70 Fusion Plus and the Poco F8 Pro. With cutting-edge technology and impressive features, these devices promise to elevate your mobile experience. But which one truly reigns supreme? Will you prioritize a stunning camera setup or a powerhouse chipset? What about display quality and battery life? Today, we'll dive into the most crucial specs to help you decide. Are you ready to find out which phone deserves a spot in your pocket? Let's get started. When it comes to photography, the Motorola Edge 70 Fusion Plus takes the lead with its versatile camera system, featuring a remarkable 50MP main sensor complemented by a 10MP telephoto lens that offers 3x optical zoom. This setup, combined with advanced features like multidirectional PDF and OIS, ensures stunning clarity and detail in every shot, making it a photographer's dream. In contrast, the Poco F8 Pro also boasts a 50MP main camera, but its standout feature is the 2.5x optical zoom from its telephoto lens, which, while impressive, doesn't quite match the Edge 70 Fusion Plus in versatility. The Edge 70 Fusion Plus clearly shines in this category, offering a more comprehensive photography experience. For selfies, the Motorola Edge 70 Fusion Plus again outshines its competitor with a 50MP front camera that captures stunning detail and clarity. In comparison, the Poco F8 Pro offers a respectable 20MP selfie camera, but it simply cannot compete with the Edge 70 Fusion Plus when it comes to sheer resolution and quality. The Edge 70 Fusion Plus is the clear winner for those who want to look their best in every selfie. Under the hood, the Poco F8 Pro packs a powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, which is designed for top-tier performance and efficiency. Its octa-core CPU configuration allows for lightning-fast processing speeds, making it perfect for gaming and multitasking. Meanwhile, the Motorola Edge 70 Fusion Plus features a Snapdragon 7's Gen 4 chipset, which, while capable, doesn't quite match the raw power of the Poco F8 Pro. If performance is your priority, the Poco F8 Pro is the clear frontrunner. When it comes to display, the Motorola Edge 70 Fusion Plus offers a stunning 6.8-inch AMOLED screen with an impressive 144Hz refresh rate, ensuring smooth scrolling and vibrant colors that pop. On the other hand, the Poco F8 Pro features a slightly smaller 6.59-inch AMOLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate. While both displays are exceptional, the Edge 70 Fusion Plus takes the crown with its larger size and higher refresh rate, making it ideal for gaming and media consumption. The immersive experience of the Edge 70 Fusion Plus is hard to beat. In terms of additional features, the Motorola Edge 70 Fusion Plus impresses with its Smart Connect support and military-grade durability, making it not just stylish but also rugged enough for everyday challenges. Meanwhile, the Poco F8 Pro offers a unique advantage with its Boasting stereo speakers, enhancing your audio experience significantly. While both devices have their merits, the Edge 70 Fusion Plus stands out for its combination of durability and advanced connectivity features. Finally, in the battery department, the Poco F8 Pro boasts a massive 6,210 mAh battery, which is a game-changer for heavy users who need longevity. The Motorola Edge 70 Fusion Plus, while equipped with a solid 5,200 mAh battery, simply cannot compete with the endurance of the Poco F8 Pro. For those who prioritize battery life above all, the Poco F8 Pro is the clear choice.